Rachel Ann Dakis, a former Lady Tamarao. She's been here since Monday.
Yeah.
The last time the Lady Tamaraos were on the court against Adamson. So showing her true colors talaga and her full support to the team.
That's right. Sabi nga ni Steven Tyler, she doesn't look a day over beautiful.
Yung may mga pick-up lines natin, Doc.
Oh, there's Moldy Ravena. Also watching, well, these two alumni of UST and FEU respectively, they know the tradition or the rivalry between these two teams, kaya nandito yung dalawang yun.
But obviously, FEU, when it comes to tradition, has more of it than UST. 29 championships as compared to 14 of UST.
And when it comes to the support of the alumni, these two teams also have a lot of support from former players.
Vargas attacking. Ortiz mistimed. You see a lot of the rust being shaken off by the Tigresses right now as they can't seem to get their timing going with these quicks.
Yes. Well, sometimes that's the downside of having a rest that really disrupts your normal rhythm of playing.
But that time around, a better execution of the back set with Ortiz. Di Maculangan to Banaticla, the power tip. Oh, Giselle C taking a page off the book of Jem Ferrer, dumping it over on touch number 2. And again, the lead is back to 5.
Nice play from Giselle. USC defense not expecting that, obviously.
Di Maculangan off to Banaticla. That cross-court has been working for USC. They should go to that play a lot more.
Great power, really a loaded hit coming from Banaticla. Bastos thought it was going outside.
32.6% success rate for Maru Banaticla every time she attacks. Vargas, one of those rare times she's rejected, tries again. Picked up by the libero of UST. Tunay is blocked. Ortiz, short on the tip. The ball was a little farther away than what she wanted.
Correa trying to give some variation or different looks on the play. Tunay, after being blocked, he tried to give it to Ortiz, but that was too short of an attempt from Ortiz.
Vargas. That's an ace.
Great serve. That was a loaded serve. Very close to the net. Even Ortiz having a difficult time picking it up.
Number 7 best server in the entire league for season 74.
Ganda na naman ang serve.
Single lady block against Gwyneth Eulalio is not gonna work.
I like the plays that FEU are setting or sending out. It's really giving the USC block a tough time controlling the defense.
Magandang hapon sa ating mga tagapanood. Ating kaibigan si Randy Buenavente tuned in, watching this very intense knockout game between UST and FEU. Gwyneth Eulalio going for back-to-back points. Off speed. Eulalio cross-court again, and on the second try, she will not be denied.
FEU is making it look so very, very easy.
14-6 FEU. Let's listen to UST.
Huwag kang mag-collapse ngayon. 15 games na to, Micah. Play your usual. Malalakas pa yung bola ang pinapalo. Bakit higa kayo ng higa? Girls, kung ayaw nyong manalo, kung ayaw nyong maglaro, tell me now. Meron pang 8 player, 7 player na nasa labas.
A challenge put out by Coach Oji Mamon. Ayaw nyo, marami pa akong players na naghihintay along the sidelines because yun nga, he sees that the Tigresses he has on the floor don't want it
Yeah.
as much as he does.
That's true. That's true. You're seeing a UST team that seems oblivious to what this game is all about. It's a knockout game,
It is.
but it doesn't feel. If you're watching them play, it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't even look like it.
And you clearly can see the difference sa coaching pa lang, sa coaching styles. Especially Coach Mamon, makikita mo how urgent it is because he
Yeah.
keeps calling timeouts a few points away
That's true.
from technical timeouts.
That's
That's how important it is to him. And it's just set number 1.
It's just the first.
Sa eliminations, hindi natawag yun ng ganitong timeout. But
Hindi natawag.
obviously, you can't afford to lose the first set because you lose your momentum right away. But
Yeah.
nothing's working for UST right now. Nothing.
That attack coming from FEU was really long. It was on its way out, in fact. But still, Maru thought it was going in, and last touch on her.
Judy Caballero finally gets an attack point.
That was a good attempt from Judy.
But they need more of that if they are to get back into this ballgame because even though the lead is not yet in double digits, the tempo is clearly controlled by
yes,
FEU.
definitely.
Gwyneth Eulalio over-received by Ortiz. The tip by Baniel. Banatikla. Gwyneth at short.
Properly set by Giselle, but again, the adjustment of the attacker a bit lacking. Remember, it was a combination back and running, so ang kahirap nun. Kumbaga sa mataas ang degree of difficulty of that kind of a combination.
Gwyneth, bumawi.
Nice play.
FEU in control of the game and the tempo 16-9 in set number 1 against UST.